If you want to factory reset your Google Pixel 10 by using buttons, here's what you need to do. So first of all, we need to turn off our device. We're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time so that we can open this power menu. And of course, we want to tap on power off. And now let's wait for the phone to completely shut down. Now afterwards, we're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down button. And we need to keep holding these buttons until we see the fast boot mode. There we go. Once we are in the fast boot mode, over here we have the selected option, and we need to keep pressing volume up or volume down until we see the recovery mode. Once you see the recovery mode, press the power button to confirm. So now we need to wait for the phone to quickly reboot into the recovery mode. And if you see this now command screen, you need to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, press volume up like this. And now we can release the power button. Here we have the Android recovery. In order to navigate, we need to use volume buttons again, and we need to go to wipe data/factory reset. Once you select this option, we need to confirm by pressing the power button, and then over here choose factory data reset, and once again confirm with the power button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.